How to manage a food recall for your Canadian food brand, tips and strategies. Welcome to our new SFPM video on managing food recalls for your Canadian food brand. As a food business owner or manager, you know product safety is key to success. But what do you do when you need to recall a product? In this video, we'll share some tips and strategies for managing food recalls in Canada in a way that can protect your customers and your brand. The first step in managing a food recall is having a recall management plan. This plan should outline the steps you'll take to recall the product, notify customers, and address any potential safety concerns. You should also have a recall team in place with designated roles and responsibilities. This team should be prepared to act quickly and efficiently to minimize the impact of the recall on your customers and your brand. To prevent recalls from happening in the first place, it's important to have a product safety testing program in place. This program should test your products regularly for any potential safety concerns and address them before they become a problem. As a food brand selling in Canada, it's important to be familiar with Canadian food regulations and safety laws. These regulations outline the requirements for food safety testing, product labeling, and recall management in Canada. Your recall management plan should also include a communication plan. This plan should outline how you'll communicate the recall to customers, the media, and regulatory agencies. When communicating the recall, being transparent and honest about the situation is important. Let customers know what happened, what products are affected, and what steps they should take if they have purchased the product. Conducting a mock recall is a good idea to ensure that your recall management plan is effective. This can help you identify any potential issues and ensure that your team is prepared to act quickly and efficiently in the event of a real recall. Do you know what you need to look for when conducting a mock recall? If you are watching so far but unsure what we are talking about, then you risk your food brand and your consumer. Do you know an average recall costs $10 million plus all the stress you must endure? At SFPM Consulting, we can help you with your food safety program compliance and build steps to prevent costly recalls for your food business. Protect your food brand and your customer today. Book a meeting with us so we can help you find the best solutions for your food brand. Want a DIY option? Head over to our website using the link on the video descriptions to download the traceability and recall plan on our template sections. Did this video help you? Remember to share and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next video.